Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome to my craft room. Today is Smash Our Stash. This was a collaboration thought up by my brilliant friend Beth, who is Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube. Each month she gives us a theme and we go into our stash and we find it. This month was kits or collections, and usually when it's kits it can be a kit you bought or a kit you made and then left in your stash. I have a behind the scenes video coming for you, so I'm not going to go into a whole bunch of logic on how I picked this or what was going on. I will tell you this was pretty fat and full, and a bunch of these were partials and started, and now it's pretty much just gaiters and then one sentiment that I missed that says something about being a great student, which actually I will use. So I'm going to put those back in here, but I'm going to put this in my ephemera, not with my collections, because I see a lot of fussy cutting in my future, and I don't think it'll get used if I put it with collections, because it's not anymore. There's no paper in here or anything. I made some teacher cards. I used to make a lot of school cards, but I didn't make teacher cards. And so typically I would just get rid of the teacher ephemera. The last time I went through, I saved it up. I have a principal and an office manager in my life, so they'll probably use these cards. Teachers who love teaching teach students to love learning. And then I have a gator because that is the mascot of a local elementary school. And I think these will end up there. Originally, that's why I had all the gators, because she worked there and then she switched schools. So maybe she'll give them to a friend. Eliza's helping us. Teachers who love learning teach students to love learning. Same but different font, right? And fun paper. I have the best teacher in the world, and then there's a gator to go with it. Then for the school that's not gators, or either one, I guess. I'm a teacher, what's your superpower? And then I put thank you teacher right next to it. And this is ruler paper. Teachers who, it's the same. It's always the same sentiment. This one I matted in green, and then I put a strip of black behind it, kind of makes it pop. Teach, love, inspire, and I inked the edges in black. This one was a scrap card. You'd have to see the video to see how it came together. The best teacher, and then I have some, like elementary learning to write paper and scraps inside all of them. And then this one, using up the scraps, and the same sentiment, but I matted it with a neutral that kind of goes with this. So we have 8 cute cards. And they were actually getting a little bent up. These front layers were in my stash. So I layered them down and tried to glue them when I was off camera. It wasn't bad. I don't know if it showed in the video, but I noticed right before I filmed this that I should touch those up. They will actually go to teachers instead of just rotting in my stash. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to come back next month for Smash Our Stash. Every month we do crazy and wild things. And I forgot to mention, but I think I'm going to put the goat paper in my clear it out bin. It's time. I showed that in my behind the scenes. Be sure to check out the other collaborators. This is a playlist collaboration, which means you can just click once and watch all the videos. Clunky for us, but a lot better for you than hashtags. Take great care of yourselves. I'll be back again soon. I've been crafting up a storm. Are you saying hi? Do you want to say hi? Can you look up right here? Yeah? Okay, tell them about your problems. Yeah, this place does not take good care of kitties, does it? No. Okay. Bye-bye.